Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Smoothie Divine and grow a garden easy guide. Start by harvesting ripe berries, greens, and herbs from your garden and rinse them well. Chop larger fruits into bite-sized pieces and measure liquids so the blender works smoothly. Use a combination of sweet, tart, and creamy ingredients for balance. Freeze some fruit for thicker results, and keep a small jar of honey or maple on hand. Choose ingredients from your garden and pantry to create fresh, balanced smoothies every day. Start with 1 cup fruit and 1 cup greens, then add 1/2 cup liquid and 2 tablespoons of a creamy fat. Add a squeeze of citrus or a small knob of ginger for brightness. Prepare tools like a high-speed blender and chopping board so everything goes smoothly. Taste as you go and adjust sweetness or thickness. Layer ingredients to protect your blender and get the smoothest texture possible. Pour liquid in first, then add soft fruits and greens, finishing with frozen fruit or ice. Pulse to chop, then blend high for about 30 to 60 seconds until silky. Taste and tweak with honey, lemon, or a pinch of salt to bring out flavors. Pour into chilled glasses and garnish with a herb sprig from your garden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.